What's going on, everybody? Cat and Balls here again. Another unboxing video. This particular item came off of eBay, and if you've already looked at the title of the video, you know what it is. For those of you that haven't, I'll go ahead and spoil it all for you. These are the Rockford Fosgate Fanatic Q 4-inch drivers with a pair of Fanatic Q tweeters. So first off, we'll get into here. I see speaker wire. I don't know why there's... Okay, these are for the tweeters. Alright, got a tweeter here. And another tweeter. So I'm going to set these aside for now. Actually, I'll go ahead and go into these. These are kind of a nice bonus. I actually have a pair of Fanatic Q 5 1/4 and 6 1/2s that don't have the tweeters in them. I ended up having to buy a different model of tweeter for them. These have some sticky stuff on them. I don't know what that is. It's boop. I don't even know if I can boop. Anyway, so what I plan on doing is I'm going to take these off, these butt splices or butt connectors, whatever you want to call them. This doesn't do any good just being here by itself because this doesn't have the cup that it's supposed to go in. So what I'll probably end up doing is just soldering on new wire and doing it the right way. So, but I've got two of these. I'll need to hook these up, make sure that they work. Here's the other one. This one seems to be in better condition. Doesn't have a bunch of sticky stuff on it. So, moving on to these. These are packed pretty well. As you can see, they got bubble wrap. They're all bubble wrap all the way around here. So, we'll dig into these. Here's number one, which this is falling off. There's the driver. It looks like, I don't know, the surround on it's a little weird. Doesn't have any spider sag. A lot of these speakers don't have spider sag because they just don't have the cone weight to them to create that. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not, because I'm not even showing you guys. I got to keep looking at this. But these are the 5 1/4. These are the 4-inch. I do have some newer Fanatic Q drivers that are the 4-inch. So eventually I'll probably swap those out and just end up using these. This one has, looks like maybe the surround lifted at one time here, and there's some glue residue on it. This one has a couple gouges here, which shouldn't affect performance any. There we go. More sticky stuff all over the speaker. I don't understand what's going on with that. Then we have one left, which will be this one. And I always got to check and make sure that they work make sure that they don't have shifted motors on them. So anyway, I'll get these hooked up, make sure that they all work. They all appear to move freely, so that's a good thing. I'll move these into field here. So basically we've got 4 drivers, and we have a pair of tweeters, which I'll have to mess with these, like I said, and do these and connect up the right type of wire to them. So, but there you go. Quick unboxing video. Just adding more and more to the collection every day. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, any thoughts, leave me a comment. If not, then have a good day. Keep on collecting. Keep on doing what you're doing. Keep on being good. So have a good one, guys and gals. See you later.